Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jamaican Cuisine with a Twist. This is your chef Ken and today we'll be teaching you how to make Jamaican cheese and beef patty cocktail style. Come with me. Yes, so the first step of making the Jamaican patty is the filling, right? And right here I have some freshly grounded beef, which is marinated in onion, garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, and I also have my personal seasoning, Nelly's Jerk, which is one of the best on the market here for me. You can also use seasoning of your choice. So the next step, we're gonna go to the stove, cook it down. So you saute your seasoning, which I use onion, garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, and the Nelly's Jerk seasoning together for about 2 minutes on medium fire. These seasonings smell so good. After the 2 minutes, you're gonna add your beef. You're gonna add your beef after 2 minutes, still on medium fire. You're gonna stir, try to get all that seasoning inside of your beef nicely. So yes, it's come on pretty perfect. Nice smell, nice texture, nice taste. And this is the filling for our Jamaican beef patty. Next step, we're gonna fold and bake. So yes, this is the finished product. Now you just got to cool it down. So now I'm gonna leave this to cool. Go through, roll in the dough. Rolling pin, flour, dough. Take the flour. I'm going to make a plain beef. Just beef, no cheese. For those who are lactose and can't eat cheese. Then you can use chicken filling, veg filling. We even have fish patty in Jamaica. So you have fish filling. We have various meat, but today I am just doing beef and cheese. You also have the national dish ackee patty. There's a various kinds of patty. I'm just doing beef. So you can choose your own filling. So you get the major part, how to make the crust, how to fill them, fold them. Well, this patty folder make my job easier, but I'm gonna do one old-fashioned way without the folder for you guys then. So old-fashioned way without my patty cutter, we're gonna do it the other way, old-fashioned. You can make a cut with one of these cutters, or you can cut with a knife. Filling. That's the way. But these are homemade style without the cutter. These are the one with the fork. So okay, we're gonna set the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. It's already on preheated. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe. And this is the finished product of Jamaican cheese and beef patty, cocktail style.